a product like this and you want to convert it into like this or maybe like this, then this video is for you, because I'm gonna tell you how, with the help of AI, you can convert any product images into professional images. And this AI model that you are seeing is not the real model, it's an AI generated model. But look at the finishing, look at how the product is has been shown on the model itself and how beautiful it is looking. Because nowadays everyone prefers to see how this product looks like in the real life, and there is nothing better than if a model wears the same product. So this is how you can convince your buyers to buy from you and improve your CTR. So if you want to know how you can do this for free, and the best part is you can download as many images as you want to, and you do not need to depend on only just one single image. As you can see, I have like created 4 images for the same product, right? So how this can be done, this will only take somewhere around 5 minutes. All you have to do is you just have to stick to the video till the very end, and I'm going to tell you the exact steps that you need to perform in order to get such product images. The first thing that you have to do is you have to visit this website. I will be linking the link of this website in the description below so you can easily find it. So once you visit on this website, after that what you need to do, you just need to click on connect. The moment you will click on connect, then you need to click on this button, this play button. Once you click on this play button, this script will start working, right? Once the script will get load, after that what you have to do, you have to scroll down and then you will see 2 links, and then you have to click on this link. This will basically take you to the AI software where we will be gonna generate product images for our own product. Now you will be seeing something like this. So if you want to create your product images, what you have to do, you have to select input image. So just select that option, and then this type of interface will get open. Then we need to upload the images, right? So whichever product image you have, you can upload it. So right now what I'm gonna do is like I'm quickly gonna show you let how this can be done. So if you click on image prompt, then upload the image for which you want to generate AI images. So I'm just shifting this part so that like I can show you. So I've just selected one image so far. You can select as many images as you want to. Once the image has been selected, has been uploaded, after that scroll down and click on the advanced settings. These advanced settings will help me create the better product images for this product. Now, after that, you have to change the things over here. In the stop at section, you have to write down 0.85, and the weight section you have to write down 0.99. This will improve the performance of the product image, right? So you have to do the same step if you are gonna upload more images. As you can see, I've only uploaded one image, but if you have, let's say, 2 or 3 product images, you just need to change the settings after uploading it, and you just need to keep the same settings for every product that you're gonna upload. Once this is done, then what you have to do, you have to click on the advanced button at the top. Now once you will click on it, then you will be able to see a new dialog box will get appear at the right hand side of the screen. Then select the format in which you want your images. I always recommend go ahead with the PNG one, although WebP saves a lot of space, but PNG will give you the better quality because we care about like what type of quality we will get, right? So select the PNG, and then how many images you want. Let's say you want 4 images, or let's say you want 5 images. So you select the image number. Right now I'm just selecting the 3 images, right? So you can select as many images as you want for your own product. Now the next step that you have to do is in the performance section, you have to select quality, because we do not care about the other factors, as we only care about like how our product will look like. That is why we are going ahead with the quality version. And then come into the style section. In the style section, you will be able to see there are so many styles available, and if you hover on any style, it will get loaded. So what you have to do, you have to select the style from here. So let's say I select this one, and I select this one, right? And then I'm gonna select one more. Let's say I want to use this one, right? So now the style has been selected, but image has not been generated so far. So we have done all the settings that we want to, right? The next step is to give a prompt that how your image should look like. Basically, this prompt will help this AI tool to understand which model to be used, right? So you can like give your own model if you have your own prompt, or otherwise I have created these 5 prompts as well. You can copy down these prompts from the description below. So let's say I'm gonna use this one for showing you how this works. So this is my prompt. You can add this prompt, and if you want to make any changes you can like change over here, and on the basis of your prompt this will get you the new model. So now according to this prompt, this AI tool will start generating images. So what you need to do, you just need to click on generate, and on the basis of the prompt that you have given and the settings that we have done so far, like all the styles that we have chosen, right? So if you just hover it, you will be able to see all the new styles that are coming up. So these styles will help you refine your prompt and the AI model that we are gonna create. And then the settings that we have done at this section and in the settings section as well. Now on the basis of these settings, this AI tool will gonna generate product images for the product that we have uploaded. This will take some time. It can take somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes or sometimes 5 minutes, depending upon how many images you want from this prompt to be generated, as I've only selected 3 images so far. So now you can see that on the basis of the prompt that I have given, it has started creating some images, and it will create the product images for the product that I have provided. And you will see something like this that I have already created earlier. So this was the product that I've used the same product in my last prompt as well, but this time, like last time, I use a different AI model prompt, and this time I use a very different AI model prompt. So it depends like which type of model you are using and what type of prompt you are giving, and on the basis of that it will start creating images for you. Once the images gets created, all you have to do is you just have to click on this download button, and your image will get downloaded in the highest version. And then you can use these images on your website, so that like when people will scroll down and scroll how this product will look like, they will be able to see all the things that they want to. And this will basically help you in improving your CTR and reducing your RTO, because sometimes people does is like they do window shopping, right? Because they have no clue how this product will look like on them. So if you create the AI version, then people will be able to see that how this product actually looks like on the real person. So now let's come back, and we can see that this has started creating some images for me on the basis of the new prompt that I have given. As I said that this will take some time, but the more you will experiment with your prompts, the better kind of images you will start getting, and you can play with as many prompts as you want to. So how I created this images prompt, for that you can refer to my YouTube channel, or you can comment down under this video, and I will be happy to provide you more image prompts, or maybe if you want I can help you in creating or identifying how we can create more image prompts for our product. So I hope you like the video. If you have liked it, gives me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.